Nobody told me that life after NYSC would be so hard. 2 years after service and continuously searching for jobs, I became frustrated. But my life changed one afternoon. I was just scrolling through YouTube and I came across a video of someone making banana bread. Because that was my first time of hearing it, I was so intrigued and I decided to try it out since I had the ingredients at home. My first attempt was not good at all, but I kept practicing and watching more videos until I perfected it. And that was how my business started. I started delivering to supermarkets and took both online and offline courses to learn how to bake other pastries. Now my bakery, Sweet Treats, is a very successful brand that delivers nationwide. But remember, it started with a banana bread from my kitchen. Do you know that a great story can increase your social media engagement very well? Well, in this video, I'll be showing you how you can turn posts into stories that captivate and convert. Hello, my name is Mercy and I share tips and tricks on how you can become a better storyteller. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. For the ones that are yet to subscribe, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get into today's video. Today's video is going to be more about social media marketing. How you can use stories for your social media marketing. I've already made a video on how stories improve your brand. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description and I'll be displaying it up there. And we all know, like I've said all the time, stories attract people. Stories that have emotions in them make people want to trust you. If Sarah was to use that particular video to market her product on social media, it would do very well because one, it is very authentic. The story is very original. Two, it is very relatable. People relate to stories like that. A lot of people relate to things like that. A lot of people have gone through situations that Sarah was once in. And three, it gets people engaged. Like once people watch that kind of story or the story of her life and see how much she has built for herself today, it gets a lot of people engaged. People start wanting to know more on what she did, because it's not just the story of how she started her banana bread, but there were other things too that she did to get to where she was today. Now, people don't just buy products because they want to buy it. They buy the emotions, they buy the experiences, and they buy the feeling of being part of something relatable. So sharing your story or sharing different kind of stories or things that have helped you build your brand or has helped you, become who you are today would help so much in your social media engagement. So instead of just making a post, instead of just snapping a picture, instead of just maybe putting out the things that you sell online, it's better to use stories to connect more to people. Storytelling is very essential for your social media marketing because it builds trust, it engages the audience, and it boosts your conversion so much more because those are stories that your audience will remember. So I'm going to break down a storytelling framework that you can use for your next social media post. One is a relatable problem. If we see at the beginning, the story that I shared was Sarah thinking about what to do after NYSC. She didn't know what to do with her life. Two is the conflict. Now she was so frustrated, she was so tired, and she didn't know what to do. Her situation was a very, very big challenge to her. And three is the resolution. Now her resolution came when she came across a video on YouTube about a banana bread, and that was how her business kickstarted. And from there till now, she has stayed in the business and has grown her business so well. Her success story can be used in any of her platform, her Instagram, her TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, whatever social media platform that she has. But she has to tailor each and every one of them for each platform. For Instagram, for instance, she can make stories, she can use reels, she can use captions with very engaging visuals. She can summarize her story and, post it on her Instagram stories and her Instagram reels. For TikTok, she can make a short form video and post it, and then people get engaged. For LinkedIn, she would make like a professional story, a professional, something professional linked to her business, because obviously we know LinkedIn is more about business connections. So she will not really put out her personal story there. She would make a professional story and post it on her LinkedIn. So try to use stories more instead of just ordinary posts for your social media marketing. It would help so much to boost your sales, and it will put your business out to a wider and larger audience. I don't really want to make this video so long, but in my next video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 engaging storytelling examples that you can use for your social media marketing. I hope you got value from this video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.